Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijal and this session we learn the print duplicate element from one-dimensional dynamic array in C language. So let us start. First I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process, and now this is open Alt file menu, taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to print dupli yes duplicate elements from 1D dynamic, yes, so dynamic array. So you have to know that malloc and free or calloc and free function you have to use. So yes, first we can understand so what is the input and what is process and what is output. So here that is one dimensional dynamic array, we have to input and print the duplicate elements. So repetition, like we can enter 1, 2, 5 and 3 and again 5, so there is a 2 times 5, so that is our output. So let us take, so yes, I think now you can understand. So we can include our header file, so that is a stdio.h, and then console input output.h, and then alloc. So here we can use malloc or free function. So alloc.h or calloc or free function. So both we have to testing is applied to our logic. So here first we can declare integer. So that is a, we can see that pointer, because that is we can use as a dynamic array, and n, then I and j. So that perfectly. And now what to do? So first we can print or scan the size of array. So enter 1D array size, so that we can scan, and that is our n variable. So n%, and then we can assign so x malloc, and that we can provide n multiply size of, that is the operator, and pass to, that is a integer data type. So that is a perfectly, but malloc function in return data type is a void pointer, so we can type casting in integer. So here that is a integer, so we can type cast in integer. If we are character, so character, float, so float, and double, so double. So which data type pointer is that, we can type casting to, that is a malloc and calloc, both return data type is a void pointer, so we must type casting. And that is assign the dynamically memory allocation. And now what to do? So first we can scan. So here we can give the message, so enter 1D array elements, so that is a message. And then we can for loop, so that is a 1D array, so that is a one for loop, yes. And then I plus plus with index we have to scan. So that is a, you can understand which element store in which place or which index. So that is a my technique. So let us take percentage %d and then I and scan a function. So we can scan, yes, percentage %d and m% x of I. So that is a complete. Now what to do? So that is a, we can print as duplicate element, not our all array element. So now here we can give the message. So we can say that uh, duplicate, yes, duplicate elements are, so that is we can print, and that is slash n. And now first we can compare, so that is a I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. So next we can take again next loop, like we can take in triangle and pyramid. So there is a nesting, we can take two for loop, and that is a j and assigned to I plus 1. So that is a second element because 0 and 1, so we can compare. So that itself we have to not compare. So j less than n and j plus plus. So that is a complete. And how here we can provide if condition. So x of I, and then we can say that x of j. So that is a if equal, so we can print. Yes, so that is very simple logic we have to develop. So percentage d, and that we can print x of I or x of j, but x of I is that our main array. So that perfectly, and that is a complete. So let us check. First I give get ch and I save this file. So we can say that 1D array, and that is a duplicate. So dup.c. So one dimensional array. One first we have to not assign, means give to file name digit. So first must be alphabet. So that is a rules of variable we have to follow in the file name. So perfectly, and then compile. Yes, here one remaining, that is a free function. So we can use malloc. So free is a must be. So yes, that complete now. And yes, there is no any error. So let us I give first 5. So that is our example. So now I can scan. So with index. So here x is 0 index. Our I, that iteration, that variable is print. So 1, 2, then 5. Then we can say that 3 and again 5. So you can look that duplicate element are 5. So 5 is a duplicate. Yes, so that is a our first. So that is a print. So yes, here we can say that duplicate element is a 5. So yes, here very simple. We can say that duplicate element, that is 5 is print. So 5 is repeat 2 times. So that is a compare each element and that print. So let us take, we can give more size. So like I give the 8, and we can duplicate some, like here we provide 1, then directly 4, and then we can say that e, and again 4, then 5, and then we can say that 6, and again 5. So that is 8. So 1 is remaining. So now I can give some difference. So 5 2 time, and that 4 2 time. So you can look. So yes, here we can provide one blank page. So that is 45 look like. So yes, here we can say that yes, that now perfectly. So again I run, and yes, here if you not provide station, that is also better. So only sim 2 or 3 element is there. Let us check. I give the 9 size and repeat. I give randomly, and now I repeat the 8, and now repeat the 2. So next is a 4, then 6, and last is 9. So yes, and last is we can repeat is a, again I provide the 5. So 5 2 and 8. So you can look 5 2. Yes, first is attempt is 2, then 5 8 is come, and then 5. So that is our 3 duplicate element from the given array. And now what to do? So here we can testing. Yes, here malloc and free we have to use. So and calloc is free. So only just here you can provide c, and here that comma operator. So that is a 2 argument in calloc. Other there is no chain. So calloc and free we can also apply. There is no any error. And let us we can take again any size. So I give the like 7, and give the any randomly element, and now first we can give the t and any element. So 8, and now I give the different, and last one. So that is we can give. So again 8 3 repetition. So now we cannot repeat any element. So yes, so 3 and 8. So that is a duplicate element R. Yes. So now perfectly. So I think you have to understand what is a duplicate element. So here we can just we have to print. And next upcoming my video lecture, I cover the how to delete an unique element we have to print in one-dimensional array. So wait, now I close. Yes, any question regarding this definition, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And subscribe my channel Ashok C. Jalaiekani and press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.